for today's video, kick a ramp for brainlots. Look at my base, guys. It's all Lavaca Saturnita. Okay, so I'm going to show you today the kinds of weights like this I have. So I'm gonna rebirth first so I can tell you the difference. Okay, are you ready, guys? Okay, let's do this. Oh wait, before we rebirth, we're gonna upgrade our brainrot first. Use our going to the second floor. Rebirth 20. Congratulations to us, guys. Okay, so we're gonna collect some money to buy a weights. But first, let me look if I'm in the leaderboard now. It's refreshing. Okay, I'm gonna wait it more. So okay, guys, let's collect money. But I'm gonna buy speed first because I'm too slow to move. In index, so this is my brainrot. I have mostly all brainrot. We're gonna get this 21, but first is the small normal. So let's see how many power it gives me. And look at the weight. It's 18. It gives me 18. Look, this is so light. So we're gonna buy the mass heavy. Okay, this is the big normal. So let's Let's see. Power it gives me. And look, gives me 90 plus. Wow. Giving me 90 power. So we're gonna get more weights. Okay. And the next is small electro. Oh, this is electro. Next, this. Oh, look at that. 180 power. Let's give me 180 power. And let's buy the big electro. Big electro. Big electro, guys. So next we're gonna buy, the next is the small eyes. Yes, this is my weight, small eyes. Focus up my name. So this weight is my favorite. Okay, small eyes, and it gives me 900. Okay, next is the big eyes. Oh, look at that big eyes. There is big eyes, and now it's giving me a 2,400 power. Gonna buy the small lava. This weight is like my character. It's lava. It's giving me a 6,000 power. Wow, it's getting bigger and bigger. What you think the big lava, what it gives to me? And getting 50,000 power. And next weight is, let's think what we're gonna get. I think the heavenly plate. Oh, we're now in heavenly plate. So this is heavy. Wow, look at that power, 37,500. And this heavenly plate, it's so cool looking at that. It has a halo. Nice. Next we have the mega golden barber. Gonna get this. Okay, equip, then let's see how many powers we can get. And now I'm getting a 90,000 power. Oh, almost 100,000, guys. If you grind this, you will be easily get in the celestial area, but there is more powerful. Wait, here, look at this. Next is the neon. Okay, neon pulse. Okay, it gives me second to the best. Wait, wow, it's 240,000. Wow, so many power. We can get almost millions of these weight, but there is more. The last and the best weight. What it's called? Let's see. It's giant gold star barbell. Wow, giant gold star barbell. Now let's see how many power it gives to me. Okay, let's see, guys. Wow, 600,000 power, almost 500,000. So if you use this, you're gonna be on top of the leaderboard for sure. Okay guys, so that's all the kind of the weights. So that's all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also comment your user's name. I will give happy brain notes to my subscribers.